Lopez here describes the amateur writers as someone who see writing as a way of expressing himself. Writing for a young writer is somehow synonymous to seeing the beauty of nature, sympathizing over oppressed people and nations. For example, to start these writings, write poetry or even philosophy full of abstract thinking.
But as this same writer is exposed to more experiences and news headlines, there would be a change in his choice of subject matter and his attitudes over things surrounding him. This is what I myself call the maturing stage, as there is a change in an amateur writer's perception of life. He matures.
Still, according to Lopez, in the end, what really interests the writer, granting that he recognizes the value of social content in literature, is some of assurance that his writing will result in something that he can lay his hands on as good and useful. For me, this line means that someday this once young writer would or should be more interested in the happenings in the society.
I underscore the few lines from Lopez that proves this maturity. He is no longer a florist, scissors in hand gathering lovely blossoms. He has become a tiller of the soil, spade in hand, digging into the roots of things and planting seeds. This means that this young writer finally found his more important purpose than simply to see the beauty of things around him.
He wanted to see effects of his writings and realized that he does not only write for his own pleasure, but also to bring awareness for the people in his society. And that's where so-called art for society comes in. In this stage, writers would be expected to be aware and to act upon the happenings in the society.